guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 6 of Diwalog 2020. I was really excited for this one क्योंकि बहुत सारी planning बहुत पहले से चल रही थी way before Diwali. And if you all know me, I mean if you are following me from quite a while and you all must know how much I'm inclined towards self-designed and tailored outfit way before vocal for local thing came into existence. So for Diwali 2020, I designed an outfit for myself taking reference from a huge American fashion designer Sherry Hill, one of my favorites. And if you have seen her designs, then I think you must have been a fan of her designs and gowns and everything. And in this video, I'm going to let you guys know what all went behind designing the outfit, selection of the fabric, the color and the budget as well. And at the end, I'll show you how it exactly turned out. So without further ado, let's get started. So before starting out the video, let me tell you guys that I'm a huge fan of Sherry Hill, even from the days when I didn't know her or anything about her, and even now I can stalk her page, her website for like hours. So when I started planning out for my Diwali outfit, the only reference that I had was a lot of Sherry Hill's dresses and gowns, and apart from that there was another reference was a old piece from my closet जो कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पहना करती थी. It was an halter neck jumpsuit and उसके बाद से मेरे पास एक भी halter neck piece नहीं थे. So for that sake मेरे दिमाग में ये फिक्स था कि दिवाली आउटफिट में halter neck तो होना ही है. And apart from that, I started rotating my eyes on her website, on her IG, and I found so many halter neck gowns. They were extremely beautiful, but on the other hand it was so pricey. Finally, I found one really beautiful piece on her website. It was a bluish off-white halter neck gown. It was too beautiful and it was for $2,000 US. The next thing that I did after reading the figures was to calculate on my mobile phone 2000 into 73, and it was around 1.5 lakh, around that only. Too pricey but too beautiful at the same time. So I kind of copied her design and I started making it on a paper with a bit of modification in the lower part, that is a frill. In her design, it was one step frill that is starting from the waist and ended at the toes, whereas the modification that I did was addition of two more steps, that is three step frill. And ये भी बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड में था. मैंने FBB में देखा था, मैक्स में देखा था, इनफैक्ट ऑरेलिया और बहुत सारे वेबसाइट पे भी देखा था. एंड मेरे पास एक भी 3 स्टेप वाले गाउन नहीं थे, so I did that modification. And after finalizing the design, I started planning out for the fabric, the kind of fabric and the color. And don't know why, whenever it comes to designing something related to a big gown or frock sort of, I stick on to black or maroon / red. But this time I wanted to try something different from usuals, and I finalized off-white, a pale white sort of a color, क्योंकि मेरे पास एक भी pale white color का कोई भी outfit नहीं था. I really wanted to have one in my closet. So after that, I started a hunt of fabric around my colony, some fabric stores and all, and I finalized two different fabrics, sorry. One fabric for the upper part and the other one for the frill. And for the upper part, I chose a pale white thread embroidery wala fabric. And one amazing thing about that fabric was that the thread was also of the same pale whitish color, and it was so beautiful. And the detailings, the borders of those designs were of a rose gold color. So it was adding all that apt amount of vibe, the aesthetic, the Diwali vibe to the fabric. And since the upper part was quite glittery, so for the frill, the only thing that I wanted was a shimmery pale white color, क्योंकि ऊपर नीचे अगर दोनों heavy हो जाता तो I would have not styled it in multiple ways or on multiple occasions. तो मैंने नीचे वाले frizz area को थोड़ा सा plain रखा so that it can balance out each other. And why I chose pale white color, क्योंकि white color बहुत ज़्यादा classy लगता है, हर occasion पे बहुत सही तरीके से जाता है. Then I discussed everything with tailor whom I can trust blindly, and then for the upper part, I purchased half a meter of the fabric, and it was around 550 rupees meter. And for the frills, I purchased 4 meter of the fabric, and it was for 120 to 130 rupees meter. And then I handed over the design and the fabric to the boutique, and I got my dress after a week. And I was amazed with how the outfit turned out exactly the way I wanted it to be, and it was so beautiful, perfectly fit from all the right places. And उसको बनाने में इतनी मेहनत लगी थी, which was quite visible. सब कुछ perfect था, be it the design, the neck design, all the frills were equal distant. I just can't thank enough to the boutique. And yeah, So that was it for day 6 of Diwali 2020. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. Giveaway details in the description box. Do check it out if you want to participate in the Diwali giveaway. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down what you felt about the outfit and how it turned out. And also I'm going to come up with a Diwali GRWM video in which I'm going to show how I styled this outfit, from accessories to hairstyle, makeup, everything. I'm super excited for that as well. So yeah, please follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_ and please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, we are about to hit 10,000 subscribers, which is crazy. I love you guys and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.